Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Nisha, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back to see me. You already know how I feel about you. Today's video is a unboxing, kind of whatever, bagging, whatever. Today we are doing a unboxing of the Marc Jacobs tote bag, and let me start off by saying I've had plenty of chances to purchase this bag, but I just bought other things. But I will be doing a unboxing of this bag today, and I'm really excited for this color that I'm about to show you guys. And like always, I'll leave everything that is needed in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So let's get into it. So the item comes in this Nordstrom bag. Usually I get all of my stuff usually through Nordstrom because they're really good with price matching and stuff like that, and they have a really good point system. So when you spend so much money, you get like notes. They consider like Nordstrom notes back, and you can use that towards your purchase. There are no exclusions on the notes, so keep that in mind. So like I said, I purchased this actually in store, and when I saw this color, I was like, this is really cute. They told me that they had just got them in that day. Now you guys, I had did a poll on my Instagram. I'll leave like a little clip of it. It was between this bag and a mini tie-dye bag, and I know usually people go with the small. This is considered the small bag that I'm about to show you, and then they have a little mini one, which I believe retails for $150, and this one retails for $175. This is considered the small. But let me stop chit-chatting. Look at this bag, you guys. And the color that's coming up on the screen is exactly how it is, without any color corrector, any filter. This is the bag, you guys. This bag is so pretty. This is in the color, I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's Cyclamen. I think it's Cyclamen, and it is so pretty. It's kind of like, I would say it's in that purple family, so probably like a little lavender. And you know, it has the white writing, the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and of course all of the little extra on the back. And so I had a poll on my Instagram. It was either out of this one or the mini tie-dye one. And you guys know, usually with tie-dye, it's a hit or a miss depending on which bag you're getting. Because when I first seen it in a Nordstrom location, the one, I should have got that one if I was going to do the tie-dye one, because that one, it had more yellow on the front of the bag, and then when I went to a different Nordstrom, the yellow was like on the back of the bag. So you know, it's a hit or a miss with the tie-dye. But this one is just going to be straight to the point. You're getting exactly, you know exactly what you're getting with this bag in this color. Now I will say, I still am considering the little tie-dye one, but this one is really, because the let me point out, the tie-dye did win probably about like 10 or 15 votes, but this one, I just was like, this is more like, I can probably wear a lot of more outfits with this one, and it's going to be perfect for summer and spring. You guys, I'm so in love with this color. Like, it's really pretty. And this does, like I said, retail for, I believe, $175. I did get mine a little bit cheaper than retail, and I just love this bag. Okay, so let's get into the details of this bag. So when you first see it, of course, it just says the tote bag, and I was actually reading, it has a water bottle loop here, where if you like are on the go, you can just throw your water bottle depending on the size of it. And when you get inside of the bag, you have a black zipper, and comes with a bunch of tissue paper. They did ask me did I want to remove it, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how everything comes. And I just do something. Okay, so when it comes to inside of the bag, it has two compartments back here, and actually a zipper part, which I really didn't notice. It has, you know, a zipper back here. You can probably put a couple of things in there, and then if you want to just slide your phone in one of these compartments, hopefully y'all can see it, one of these 2 compartments. And then I just love how spacious the bag is and how deep it is, so you can definitely fill this bag up. I know a couple of people here on YouTube where there's like a work bag, maybe like a little diaper bag, depending if you're a mom, a little overnight bag, however you want to do it. I know my sister uses hers for an overnight bag. I just love this one, and I know they have the bigger one, which I believe retail for $195, but I feel like that one is a little bit too big for me, because, and also that one doesn't come with a strap. This bag does come with a strap. The only downfall about this strap, I believe, in my opinion, is that the strap is always black. No matter what color bag you get, it's black. I wish they would have kind of did it the same color as the bag that you're purchasing. That's just my opinion. Let me know how you guys feel in the comment section. But the good thing about Marc Jacobs is always that they have removable straps. So, you know, right here, and also on the other side, you can purchase like any kind of strap. It doesn't even have to be Marc Jacobs. You can purchase them from Farfetch. I know Nordstrom sometimes has them. Bloomingdale's a lot more in store. I've seen plenty of them. And then marcjacobs.com, they have plenty of straps. You might have to purchase them retail, but you do have that option of purchasing a strap on its own. And yeah, it kind of doesn't completely go with my nails, but it's the bag. This is basically the bag. I'll probably do like a what's in my bag update bag really soon, because I do plan on wearing this bag soon, and I want to show you guys firsthand before I wear it. And also I know this bag is linen material, so if you have any like recommendations on keeping the bag clean, or how, if you did mess up your bag, how did you maybe get a stain out, how do you keep it clean, you guys let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And do you guys like my choice of bag? Do you guys like this color? I sure do. So yeah, that's why I got it. Okay, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, and make sure you follow me on my social media. I'm more active in, yeah, turned up over there. So anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.